बेटा जी टुडे वी विल आवाज आ रही है साफ बेटा?
Yes, sir.
बेटा जी टुडे वी विल डिस्कस स्पीड टाइम क्वेश्चंस. In these questions, two different speeds will be given. We will write down data for each speed separately. Now, we will discuss question number right now. Question number 9. Now, question number 9. A boat travels upstream and back. Upstream का मतलब क्या होता है? What does it mean upstream?
Furthermore, forward.
Upstream means opposite to the direction of water. Opposite to the direction of water. डाउनस्ट्रीम क्या होता है बेटा?
Towards the direction of
With the
water.
direction, with the direction of water. Okay. Upstream is opposite to the direction of water.
Opposite.
Downstream is with the direction of water. A boat travels 12 kilometers upstream and back in 1 hour and 45 minutes. If the speed of the current means water, current means water. Okay.
Okay.
If the speed of the current is 3 kilometers per hour throughout, find the speed of the boat in still water. अब ये देखें बेटा, आपकी बोट जो है वो स्टिल वाटर में सपोज दैट 20 की स्पीड से ट्रेवल कर सकती है. स्टिल वाटर में your boat can travel with a speed of 20 kilometers per hour in still water. If the boat will travel downstream, that is with the direction or in the direction of water, then the what should be the speed? Your boat can travel 20 kilometers per hour in still water. The speed of the water is 3. When you will move downstream, when you will travel downstream, what is the speed of the boat?
15 kilometer.
बेटा देखेंगे कि 20 तो आपकी अपनी स्पीड है, 3 किलोमीटर वाटर की स्पीड है, तो टोटल आपकी स्पीड कितनी बन जाएगी? आपकी स्पीड ज्यादा हो जाएगी करंट के इन द डायरेक्शन ऑफ करंट में, जब आप मूव करेंगी ज्यादा हो जाएगी कि कम हो जाएगी?
ज्यादा हो जाएगा।
कितनी ज्यादा होगी? 20 तो आपकी अपनी है, 3 वाटर की है, टोटल स्पीड कितनी हो जाएगी आपकी?
23।
23 हो जाएगी। इसको दोबारा एक्सप्लेन करूं इस फिनोमिना को?
नहीं सर।
अच्छा, when you will move opposite to the direction of water, the speed of the current is 3. You are moving opposite to the direction of water with the speed of 20. What is the net speed?
17।
17. बिल्कुल ठीक है. Now, when you will move upstream and back, your speed will be same or your speed will be different?
डिफरेंट।
Different. Now, we are discussing speed time questions. When there are two different speeds, look at the lines with red color. Write down data for each speed separately. Now there are two different conditions. One condition is upstream. We want to find the speed of the boat in still water. Speed of the boat in still water. Now question number 9 is, जिस चीज को हमने फाइंड आउट करना है हम उसको लेट करेंगे. We want to find out the speed of the boat in still water. We will suppose that the speed of boat in still water be x. Now, upstream. When the object will move upstream and downstream, the speeds will be different. The two different options given are, one is upstream and the other one is downstream. The speed will be different. In upstream and downstream, we will write down the data separately. For upstream, when the boat is moving opposite to the direction of water, the speed of water is 3 given in the question. The speed of the water is 3. When the particle is moving upstream, then the speed of the boat is g. बताएं बेटा speed of the boat क्या होगी?
x -3।
Very good. Time is, the distance is 12 kilometers. And the time is unknown. T. Time is not given for the motion, for the motion when the boat is moving upstream. Now we will write down the data for downstream. Speed is g. Speed क्या होगी? Downstream when the
x
object is
+4
x
+3।
Good. The distance is, when the boat is will move down stream, the distance covered by the boat is,
12.
yes, the
12.
distance will remain 12 kilometers. Time is unknown. Let the time first time be t1 and the second time be t2. Now total time is given, and the total time given is 1 hour and 45 minutes. Total time is given 1 hour and 45 minutes. If we will add t1 and t2, then this time should be equal to 1 hour and 45 minutes. होना चाहिए या नहीं होना चाहिए बेटा जी?
होना चाहिए.
बिल्कुल ठीक है. 1 hour and 45 minutes. Now we will use the formula for the distance is equal to speed into time. Distance for the upstream is 12. Speed is x minus 3. Time is t. 1. T1 is equal to 12 over x minus 3. For the downstream, we will again use the formula distance is equal to speed into time. Distance is 12. Speed is x plus 3 into time is t2. And t2 is equal to 12 over x plus 3. It is mentioned in the question that the total time taken by the boat to travel from A to B and then B to A, that is upstream and downstream, is 1 hour and 45 minutes. So the first time is 12 over x minus 3 plus the second time is 12 over x plus 3. This should be equal to 1 hour and 45 minutes. The time is, you can see that units we have used in this question are kilometers and hours. Time is hours. And time given in this question is 1 hour and 45 minutes. 1 plus, we will convert 45 minutes into hours by dividing 45 with 60. Is there any confusion?
No.
Okay. Now we will solve this equation, simplify this equation. The LCM is x minus 3, x plus 3. This one is 1 plus 3 over 4. 12 into x plus 3 plus 12 into x minus 3. 12x plus 36 plus 12x minus 36 over x square minus 9 is equal to 4 plus 3 over 4. 36 कैंसिल हो जाएगा. 24x over x square minus 9 is equal to 7 over 4. 4 into 24x is equal to 7 into x square minus 9. 96x is equal to 7x square minus 63. 0 is equal to 7x square minus 96x minus 63. Is there anything common between all the terms? 2 से डिवाइड हो रहा है या 3 से डिवाइड हो रहा है या 4 से डिवाइड हो रहा है? किसी चीज से डिवीजन हो रही है?
नहीं सर.
जी. So we will use quadratic formula to solve this equation to find the values of x. Quadratic formula is minus 96 plus minus under root minus 96 square minus 4 into 7 into minus 63 over 2 into 7 is equal to 96 plus minus. Beta ji, what's the final answer of 96 square minus 4 into 7 into minus 63? 10980. जी बेटा.
Yes sir.
Divided by 14. And what's the under root of 10980?
104.785.
Now we will write this one separately. That is 96 minus 104.785 over 14. And x is equal to 96 plus 104.785 over 14. X is equal to, G beta, what's the answer for 96 minus 104? 8.785 over 14. X is equal to 200.785 over 14. And what's the first answer?
Minus 0.6275.
And what's the second answer?
14.34.
14.34.
34.
What is X?
14.34.
Okay, what is X?
Speed.
Yes, speed of speed
Water.
of speed of
Water.
speed of
Water.
speed of
Boat.
in still water. Okay. Now, can the speed be negative? X is equal to minus 0.6275. बेटा स्पीड नेगेटिव हो सकती है minus 0.6275.
No sir.
So the final answer is 14.34 kilometers per hour. Speed of the boat in still water is 14.34. जी बेटा जी. Any question about this?
No, sir. Sir, why did we like write the time all together?
Sorry. Sorry बेटा, दोबारा please repeat.
Why did we join the time?
Why did I?
Joined time, summed up.
Why did I add the two times for upstream and downstream? Now the total time given. We will look at the question. The question is, a boat travels, question number 9, a boat travels 12 kilometers upstream and back in 1 hour and 45 minutes. Upstream and back. That is the time for upstream and then back is 1 hour and 45 minutes. तो क्या दोनों वो टाइम की बात नहीं कर रहा आने की और जाने की? तो इसलिए हमने देर इज अ डिफरेंस इन द स्पीड, तो हमने दोनों का डेटा अलग अलग लिख के हमने बेटा उसको क्या किया है, उन टाइम्स को फाइंड आउट कर लिया. ये हमने अपस्ट्रीम और डाउन स्ट्रीम का डेटा लिखा. यहाँ पर हमने उनका अलग अलग टाइम निकाल लिया, डिस्टेंस इज इक्वल टू स्पीड इनटू टाइम लगा के. फिर उनको जब हम सम करेंगे तो फिर हमारे पास मेरा बेटा क्या हो जाएगा, वी विल गेट द टोटल टाइम टू गो एंड देन कम बैक विच इज इक्वल टू 1 आवर एंड 45 मिनट्स. दोबारा बताऊं कि हमने उसको सम क्यों किया है?
नहीं सर. सर आप जरा एक बार क्वेश्चन को एलेबोरेट कर देंगे,
जी
मतलब
बिल्कुल.
इसने एग्जैक्टली क्या बोला?
जी जी जी. अब कहता है कि क्वेश्चन नंबर 9 के अंदर बेटे जी कह रहा है, अ बोट ट्रेवल्स 12 किलोमीटर अपस्ट्रीम एंड बैक. वो 12 किलोमीटर पहले जाती है ऑपोजिट टू द डायरेक्शन ऑफ वाटर एंड बैक. जब बैक करेगी तो क्या होगा, इन द डायरेक्शन ऑफ वाटर हो जाएगी. और टाइम टोटल उसने कितना कंज्यूम किया, 1 आवर एंड 45 मिनट्स. उसके बाद कहता है कि इफ द स्पीड ऑफ द करंट, जो पानी की स्पीड है वो 3 किलोमीटर पर आवर थ्रू आउट है, आने में भी और जाने में भी. फाइंड द स्पीड ऑफ द बोट इन स्टिल वाटर. आप ये देखें कि जो है क्या हुआ है कि स्पीड का डिफरेंस है आने और जाने में. हम दोनों का क्या करेंगे, डेटा अलग अलग लिखेंगे, क्योंकि ऊपर जो मैंने आपको क्वेश्चन की कैटेगरी बताई है उसमें ये है कि देर विल बी अ डिफरेंस इन द स्पीड्स. तो हमने क्या करना है कि डेटा को अलग 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 लिखना है. एक बात हो रही है अपस्ट्रीम की, एक हो रही है डाउनस्ट्रीम की. वो मैंने अलग अलग उनके कॉलम्स बना लिए, उनके अंदर उनके डेटा लिखे. फिर दोनों पर मैंने फॉर्मूला लगाया, डिस्टेंस इज इक्वल टू स्पीड इनटू टाइम. दोनों का आने का और जाने का टाइम गिवन है, मैंने दोनों का अलग अलग टाइम निकाल के मैंने उसको क्या किया है कि उसको गिवन टाइम के इक्वल पुट कर दिया. फिर बताऊं बेटे को, फिर एक्सप्लेन करूं
नहीं
क्वेश्चन
सर.
को?
नहीं सर.
बेटा जी नाउ वी विल अटेम्प्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर 13. एन एयरक्राफ्ट flies from A to B 450 kilometer away. A से B तक का डिस्टेंस इज 450 किलोमीटर and back from B to A and back from B to A. When the aircraft will fly from B to A, what is the distance?
450 kilometer.
Good. In a total time of 5.5 hours, the time for A to B and then from B to A, the total time is 5.5 hours. During the whole journey, there is a constant wind blowing from A to B. From A to B. Now the speed of the aircraft from A to B will be greater or smaller. The wind will,
Smaller.
wind is blowing from A to B. Now he is traveling along the wind. Now the speed should increase or decrease.
Increase.
Increase. Very good. And when he will come back from B to A, now the wind is blowing opposite to the direction of motion. Now the speed will increase or decrease.
Decrease.
Good. There is, you can see that there is a difference in the speed from A to B and then B to A. Now we will write down the data for the two segments separately. Now, if the speed of the aircraft in still air is 165 kilometers per hour, find the speed of the wind. First of all, we will let the unknown quantity. Let the speed of the wind be x. Now, we will write down the data for A to B and then B to A separately. The wind is blowing from A to B. The speed will increase. Speed is equal to the speed of the aircraft in still air is 165. The air is blowing with speed x. Now, what is the speed of the plane from A to B?
165 plus x.
Very good. One 65 plus x kilometers per hour. Now, the distance traveled. G. What is the distance from A to B?
450 kilometers.
Time is not given. T1. Now, we will write down the data for B to A. What's the speed of the aircraft from B to A?
165 minus x.
Very good. The speed of the
Kilometers.
aircraft in still air minus the speed of the air as it is traveling opposite to the direction of wind. Distance is
Unknown.
again 45. The distance from A to B is 450. The distance from B to A is same. जी बताएं सेम होगा कि नहीं होगा?
होगा.
The time taken is T2. Now the total time for the whole journey is given. And this one is equal to 5.5 hours. We will use the formula distance is equal to speed into time. Distance is 450. Speed is 165 plus x into time is t1. Here t1 is equal to 450 over 165 plus x. For the second segment, distance is equal to speed into time. Distance is equal to 450 is equal to 165 minus x into t2. So t2 is equal to 450 over 165 minus x. Now we will add the two distances and put them equal to जी बेटे
Plus
we will add the two times
450,
we will add the two times and put them equal to
5 hours and 30 over 60.
5 hours 1 over 2 5 hours 30 over 60 both are correct 5 hours 1 over 2 11 over 2 LCM is 165 plus x 165 minus x 450 into 165 minus x plus 450 into 165 plus x 450 into 165 please calculate
74,250.
74,250
50.
minus 450x plus 74,250 plus 450x 450 450 से कैंसल आउट हो जाएगा 74,250 divided by 74,250 into 2 किसके इक्वल होता है
Sir, can you repeat? आपने क्या कहा?
बेटा 74,250 into 2 क्या होता है
148,500.
165 square is equal to
Sir, 165 to what?
165 square is equal to
27,225.
27,225
27,225. Yes.
ठीक है अब 148,500 into 2 करें
297 or 30?
29730.
Yes. 3 नहीं सर, 30. 3 को हटा दें.
000.
Yes sir.
अच्छा बेटा 11 इंटू 27225.
299475.
minus 11 square. Now this one is 11 x square is equal to 299,475 minus 297,000. माइनस करके बताएं क्या आंसर है.
26,907.75.
बेटा 299,475 माइनस 297,000. इसका आंसर क्या आता है.
2475.
इसको 11 से डिवाइड करें.
225.
इसका अंडर रूट लें. x इज इक्वल टू 15 किलोमीटर पर आवर आ गए. तो द स्पीड ऑफ द विंड इज 15 किलोमीटर पर आवर. अब इसमें से आपने अगर कुछ पूछना है तो पूछ लें.
No sir.
अब आपका होमवर्क ये है कि आपने इसका क्वेश्चन नंबर 14 एंड 15 करना है. पहले आपने इनको रिपीट करना है, इन क्वेश्चंस को जो मैंने करवाए
Okay
हैं.
sir.
उसके बाद 14 एंड 15 बड़ा सोच समझ के करते हैं. ठीक है.
Okay sir. जी.
Now in the question it is given that giving your answer up to 3 significant figures. Now the answer is 14.34 kilometers per hour. The final answer should be 14.3 only. We will erase 4 and now the answer is in 3 significant figures. So the final answer for the speed of the boat in still water is 14.3 kilometers per hour.